Accessing a column in a Pandas DataFrame can be done in two primary ways. Using dot notation, like df, column_name, or bracket notation, df, column_name, backquote. Bracket notation offers more flexibility, especially for column names with spaces or special characters. For an illustration, let's load the Seaborn tips dataset.
Well, then access the tip column using bracket notation. _tips_df. Tip. On this accessed column, we can easily perform operations. For instance, to find the minimum tip, we use .min, and for the maximum tip, we use .max. This demonstrates the straightforward process of targeting and operating on specific columns within your data.
This script begins by importing the necessary libraries, Pandas for data manipulation and Seaborn to easily load a sample dataset. It then loads the tips dataset, a common dataset for illustrating data analysis tasks, into a Pandas DataFrame named tips_df. This DataFrame serves as the basis for demonstrating different column access methods and operations. The first method shown is ***dot notation. tips_df.tip. This is a convenient and concise way to access a column when the column name does not contain spaces or special characters and doesn't conflict with DataFrame methods. After accessing the tip column as a Pandas series, the .min and .max methods are called directly on this series to retrieve the smallest and largest tip values.
Next, the script demonstrates *bracket notation with a string key ***. ***tips_df. Tip. This is a more versatile and generally recommended method as it works regardless of the column name's complexity, e.g., names with spaces or special characters, and avoids potential conflicts with DataFrame attributes or methods. Similar to dot notation, the .min and max methods are then applied to the resulting series to find the minimum and maximum tips.